how can you transfer money to Binance account? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to transfer money to your Binance account. In order to do this procedure, make sure that the application is completely up to date and your account is also verified. Then to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Binance account. Once you're logged into your account, then you need to go to the wallets tab from the bottom right hand side corner, and here you need to go to spot, and then you need to go and select this page. You can either go and select the asset, and then you can go ahead and tap on buy with USD. Then you can go ahead and select the currency type, choose to pay with. After that, you need to enter in all of these information such as the amount and all that, and as for the payment method, go ahead and select the card and enter in the card details. After that, you can go ahead and enter the amount you want to deposit, and you will see the transaction fee. So that's how you can transfer money to your Binance account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.